Hey, Helen.
Hi. Good. Thanks, sweetheart.
Hey, you're Helen. How you doing, Helen?
I'm good. How are you?
Great.
Grandma's birthday card came. Oh, thanks, sweetie.
I thought your birthday was 2 weeks ago.
It was. My mother-in-law got it confused when Helen and I were dating, and I never corrected her.
That's too much. Was she that intimidating? Oh, mine's tough, too. Look, you don't have to be so nice. Really, it's okay. You can admit it.
No, really, she's a very nice woman.
Then why don't you just tell her?
I just couldn't break it to her, I guess.
You're too much, you know that?
Well, you have to work later?